Alright, so we're at Kung Pao Panda. It's on Jalan, Padma. And we're just going to go in now. If you look Kung Pao Panda on Instagram and you message them, they'll give you a link. And then you WhatsApp them and you can get as much as you want, like soy may and dim sum and that, as long as you buy a drink. Alright, so this is it, Kung Pao Panda. It's pretty big in here. And yeah, it looks nice. Anyway, we're here for the dim sum deal. So we're going to sit outside because there's no music. Okay, so that's the deal. Yeah, you just message them, they give you a link. As long as you buy a drink, one drink, any drink, you can eat as much as you want for 90 minutes. So we're here to do the big dim sum thing. We'll just buy like a soft drink or a cup of coffee or something like that. Eat as much as you want. Let's go. Check it out. So this is a list of all the dim sums you get, like prawn is a chive, Shanghai, vegetarian, blah blah blah. Plus you can also get pork and noodles, special fried rice if you want. The bindang buzz. So what we just got an assorted mix of dumplings. We got some crystal prawn ones, we got some duck ones, duck Peking sauce. We got some prawn and chicken ones. Yuli got some crispy prawn wontons, and we also got some rice paper roll ones, sort of like Vietnamese sort of style, and a couple of drinks, and we'll see how that goes. That should be more than enough. If you come in and buy them without the deal, the special, it's 89,000 for a basket of 3. So we got 16 dumplings, so we're getting about 400,000 worth for the price of a drink if you do the deal. So check out Instagram, then WhatsApp them and make your appointment. There's a lot of Indonesians been going in, and they're all here for the special, the same as us. They wouldn't pay these prices like for soy may and dumplings and that, like 89, 90,000 for 3 dumplings. They just wouldn't pay it. But this special, it's a good deal. It's buy a drink, eat as much as you want for 90 minutes. I'm going to see how much I can eat, little piggy. So what sort of fried rice did you order?
It's plain fried rice with pork.
Chinese fried rice, is it?
Yeah, but even the sauce is there pork, so no.
So Yuli's bag for the day, the Ave St. Laurent's with a little labu or something. What is it? Is it a labu? So it's a St. Laurent's 11 leather bag. Yeah. How much did that one set you back, darling? She doesn't know. Alright, so we got our iced tea, so that's all we're going to do to buy it to get all the free food. But they're not cheap. It was 45,000 for an iced tea and each, so it's going to cost us 90,000. Alright, so this is Yuli's nasi goreng. I'm going to try the fried rice a bit first. It's not too bad. I think it's just a vegetarian fried rice. No meat.
Like I always do.
Oh, no, there's a bit of chicken in it, actually. Yeah, it tastes alright. Chinese style fried rice. Yeah. So these are the dumplings that we ordered. Apparently there's 16 pieces. These are the duck, crystal prawn, and the soy maize, and I think chicken and prawn. So yeah, it might not be enough. We'll see, but we can order more. We got 90 minutes. But it took a while to come out. It's been at least 20-25 minutes since we ordered, so we'll try that out first. Thank you. So the staff are coming and take a photo of us doing the special deal. Alright, so we're going to wait for our chili oil. Hasn't turned up yet, so but I might just try one of these prawn ones. The crystal prawn, that damn chopsticks. I'm not real good at them. Yes, I got one. Try one of these crystal prawn ones. They're pretty big actually. Oh yeah. There's actually 3 or 4 small prawns in it. Yeah. So what do you think of yours?
Good.
The prawn ones are good, aren't they? Like, as you can see, there's about 3 or 4 prawns in each one. Oh, there's your other prawns still in the sauce. Get them out. Get them out, I want a bit of sauce. Alright, try the chili oil. Now I'm a piggy, so I'm just going to stick the whole thing in my mouth and eat it. Wow, they're really good. Really, really good. So I'm going to try one of these duck ones. These red ones are duck, apparently. I don't know what the flavour, the taste is with them. Let's eat another one. You can tell there's bits of chopped up duck in it, but it's got a flavour, maybe like a chili or tom yummy sort of flavour to them. Yeah, not too bad. So you're a bit worried we didn't order too much in case we couldn't eat it, but we're going to order 6 more of these prawn ones. And what are these ones? Try these ones. They're good. What are them ones?
Ini kayaknya prawn chive.
So this is going to go a lot quicker than what I thought. So these ones are like a soy may. See, they're like a soy may one. Try one of them. I think they're chicken and prawn, and they're not too bad. Yeah. So I was a bit worried we wouldn't eat them all, but we definitely will. No way. So we just ordered about another 10. That chili oil is really good. I got a little bit of a numbness going on the lips. But these are the best. We ordered another 6 of them or something. The crystal prawn ones are so good, eh? Them 8 of mine lasted about 3 minutes. So I really got something else. Some fried ones. Fried dumplings or fried, what are they?
Fried wonton.
Fried wonton. Alright. Might just try one of them.
Still hot.
Just pick it up.
Oh. Prawn.
Oh, it's all prawn.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Same is good.
Yeah, there's a lot of prawn in that. Yeah. So these fried wontons. You see there's 1, 2, 3. There's probably about 5 little prawns in each one. Yeah. Very good. So we forgot we ordered these. These are the rice boiler rolls. Looks like they're all prawns. And there's a lot. Oh my God. So we just ordered 10 more soy may because we didn't think it was enough, and then they bring this out. So what are they? They're little rice paper rolls with prawn in them. Oh, it's on like a sweet chopsticks. It's on in like a sweet sauce or something. Alright, so there must be one more to come, is it?
Yeah, one more.
Alright, so this is 6 more of the crystal prawn ones, which are really good. So we're going to hook into them, and there's still one more lot to come. So I'm already full. What about you? Well, you got to eat them, you ordered them. Yes, and here's the other ones here. Thank you. Alright.
Another drink?
So down to my last 6. And these are definitely the best ones, I think. The crystal prawn ones are so good, eh? There's a really lot of prawns in them. So anyway, good stuff. I'm going to hook in. The last one, and I'm stuffed full. That was a pretty good feed. I'm that full, I just got to sit here for 10 minutes, I think. So I'm stuffed. So they were pretty big size soy may and dumplings and that, so yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, so all up it was 148,000. Now it's like 25,000 or 28,000 for the actual package. Eat as much as you want, and you just buy a drink as well. So with the drinks and the package for each of us, it was 148,000, which is about $12 or $13. So it's pretty good because I'm stuffed full. So anyway, that's it for Kung Pao Panda, and yeah, you know the drill. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that. See you on the next video.